The lady from Uncle. The lady.
Hi, today I want to take a look at a Google Workspace Admin Help Center article, and that is the one about enforcing two-step verification for Google Workspace admins. Eventually, it will be for all types of users of Google Workspace. And the simple reason for that is that Google is aware that Google accounts, whether they be Google Workspace ones or consumer ones, are becoming increasingly valuable. After all, you wouldn't expect to be able to use your bank account with just your password. So, any value attached to an online presence, in this case Google Workspace account, needs to be protected, and the best way to do that is to fall in line with other companies with implementing things like two-step verification. Now, I'm going to give you the Help Center article, by the way, down below, and you can have a read of it yourself. I suggest that you do read it and be aware that this is something that's going to roll out over the coming years. I don't know why it isn't instant, but there you are. The other thing to bear in mind is that there is no way of bypassing this. When it comes into force, you will get, as a super admin, you will get slightly more notice than a regular admin, and certainly the users when the time comes as well. So you will need to enroll for two-step verification, or you will end up not being able to use your Google Workspace admin account. If you get to the point where you cannot sign in because of the two-step verification having been enforced, then please click on this link here and follow the steps to recover an administrator's account. Interesting, there's also a link here for user accounts, and if you expand that, you'll see that there's information here for helping your users as well. Hopefully this helps you and prepares you for two-step verification. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.